Hey, thanks for checking out this post. So today I was just interested in showing how the CNC machine cuts the actual wood blocks. So I think in another post I showed the blocks that we start off with. They're typically like about this size, around this size. We put them down here, and this machine follows a particular software pattern that tells it how to cut out this shape on the inside of the helmet. And this is the router bit. It's got two really sharp blades that spin super fast, and slowly but surely they carve this whole thing out. And as they carve it out, they generate all this dust. Each helmet generates probably 20 or 30 gallons of shavings, which can be used for compost or for paths or for animal nesting, all sorts of things. So it's kind of cool to be able to take the shavings and use them again for other things. Once this is carved out, the wood is usually pretty wet inside here. It's pretty hard to dry out wood, pieces that are this thick. So once it's carved out, we take these pieces and set them aside. You can see there's a whole bunch here, usually for up to 2 or 3 months even, and let the inside dry out. The first quarter or half inch of the surface, let that dry out. We don't try and get the whole thing dry, it would just take too long. And so once that's all dried out, we remachine it just to get it like nice and perfect again. And then we flip it over. So then we take this block, we flip it over, and we carve the top off. And that looks like this. So it's like sitting there, and this same bit is used to kind of get down to here. This is obviously was one that wasn't set up correctly. It was set up 1/4 inch too forward, so the bit just shaved off the front. Sometimes you can't tell that till it's too late, the mistakes that you make. But that's just sort of a really quick and dirty on how the wood blocks get machined into helmet shells. So thanks again for checking it out.